My name is Richard Houghton. I'm a scientist from the U.S. I work at the Woods Hole Research Center, and I'm here in Guadalajara to see if I can help with assigning how much carbon is emitted from management of lands, especially forests, or how much carbon is taken out of the atmosphere through management. And it's an important question these days because if we're really serious about limiting warming to 2 degrees C, then we have to start thinking about what we call negative emissions, or taking carbon out of the atmosphere. And one way to do that is by growing forests, putting forests back on the land, letting forests grow. And we've known that for a long time. It's a technology that's well understood, but most of the history of humans on the planet has been the reverse, have been losing forests and losing carbon to the atmosphere. But we know enough, we can think about how to take it out. So I'm here at the Woods Hole Research Center. I've worked with a model we call a bookkeeping model. Bookkeeping is just means it's like a checkbook. It has balances made up of withdrawals and deposits, and so that's what we have is a model or a framework that keeps track of the amount of carbon on land and how that's affected through kinds of management. For example, if you burn a forest, the carbon held in the vegetation gets released to the atmosphere. But the recovering forest, after a fire, if the forest recovers, it takes carbon back out of the atmosphere, puts it again in trees and soils. So, as I say, we have a model that helps make the calculations. Given the input for the model are kinds of management and kinds of ecosystems. And from that, the model will tell us how different sorts of management practices either release carbon or, again, take it out. So it's a big carbon bookkeeping model, and I'm here to help see if that will be of use to Conifer and others involved with that activity. That's all I would say.